Did you see that pop up here? I like freaking lofted my bed. You saw my room tour. I don't really know what I was thinking. Hopefully you don't see my pants here because I'm not dressed that cute. But like guys, my setup here is kind of insane. Like smile. I'm sorry, this is so funny. I'm so excited to be filming a haul and talking to you guys today. Let me readjust this a bit though. I got it. I got it. You can see me sweating right now. We're gonna not talk about that. Okay guys, as you can see, I have a lot of stuff. I actually have like 2 more piles because, you know, I say this every time, but college really got me stressed. So I've been doing a lot of shopping. I also had the excuse of needing to, if you didn't know, I'm a business admin major. I go to Pepperdine. So if you want to see more school vlogs, stay tuned. But I've been needing to buy like a lot of business professional clothes. And you know, like me, I use that as an excuse to shop. So let's get started. This is a combination of brandy. There's unfortunately a brandy very, very close to me. So every time I get minorly stressed with school, I end up going there and buying like 5 things. Thrifting. I probably went thrifting 4 times last week. Midterms are coming up. It's okay. Now we have stuff. As I mentioned in my last video, I do this thing where like I don't bring a lot of clothes with me to school or like when I'm moving because I want to be a minimalist. But minimalism just doesn't work for me, so I end up buying stuff anyways. But at least I'm thrifting, okay? Most of it's thrifting. But with that being said, we're gonna start with the non-thrifted stuff just because that's what's in front of me. For starters, I didn't realize Malibu is as cold as it is, and this is coming from someone who is from Seattle. I think I just wasn't prepared for it though, because you know, Malibu, sunshine, like California, I thought I would be wearing shorts. I brought all shorts, all tank tops, and then I realized I have classes where I like leave at 8 in the morning, and so I'm like freezing walking to class, and then also at night, especially if you go to the beach or something, it's a little chilly. So I got these. They're from Brandy. I had to cut them because I'm freaking short, but they're super comfy. They're kind of like a mix between sweatpants, and they're thin and cotton, so I really like them. I wear them all the time. They're like my pop-out sweatpants, so they still look a little bit cute. They have elastic, so they're kind of slouchy. You can have a little like boxer action showing and it looks still cute. So I got them in this green color, which is like my favorite. And then what was I thinking, guys? Oh, here we go. I got it in this chocolate like brown color too. I've been going through like a brown and green phase. You will very clearly see that's very evident in this haul. I would like go to stores and my arms are filled with like green things. So yeah. From Brandy, I also got like this little baby tee, but it has cool stitching. I might crop this also. It's like grayish brown. I can't really tell the color, but I just wanted more baby tees because, as I said, I brought all tank tops, and there's sometimes I just wanted a little more like coverage stuff. Like I don't want to be wearing a tank top every single day. So I got this one. It's a little more like edgy looking, so I figured I could wear it with like Dickies and like, I don't know, my alternate ego personality. Where did it? I'm trying to collect all my Brandy stuff. This is horrible. Like, this is so embarrassing. Oh my gosh. I got these shorts. They're they look like softy shorts. They're like the jogger style. They look pretty athletic, but they're cotton. They have them in a bunch of colors. They have pockets. So comfy. I wear them as sleep shorts. I also wear them out. And I feel like if you do the monochromatic look and just slap on gold jewelry, you literally look put together. You got an outfit there. So I got them in dark green. And then I also got them in navy. They're just like thicker, better quality softy shorts basically. I got another baby tee. This one's like a baseball tee, and it's blue and brown, which I think is a fun little combo. Actually, I just like love this shirt. Do you guys remember when baseball tees were like huge? High schools would produce baseball tees for like ASB and sports teams and stuff. Those were literally like the easier days. Miss that. I got this. It reminds me of a little grandma tank top. It just has nice little kind of embroidered. I could probably make this somehow. So cute. It's light blue. Very adorable. Love it. Then I got this green, again, zip up, and I realized Brandy has 2 types of oversized zip ups. This one is like a lot thinner and softer, and I think it's also like $5 cheaper. The other one I have is so thick. Like I feel like it would take up an entire carry-on suitcase. Maybe I'm just being dramatic, but that one also keeps me really warm. They're both super soft though. They're just like a little bit like slightly different materials. Now I'm gonna show you guys some random thrifting things. Keep in mind this is from probably like 5 different thrifting trips. I have literally been here for like less than a month. I'm just gonna ignore that. First off, I got these pants. This was a really good pants shopping day for me. Usually I have a lot of trouble with finding pants, which is weird. Okay, I have a lot of trouble finding pants from like normal stores. Like they never fit me as well as they should if you're buying them specifically, except for Zara. Those fit me fabulous. But whenever I thrift, I find really good pants that fit me so well. Just like, I don't know if it's because they're worn in or something. I have no clue, but I got these. They kind of just look like Target worker pants. They have the nice cinching, which I'm always a fan of. They're like that khaki cargo whatever color, very plain, and I don't know, I really like them. I had a pair like this at home and I forgot to pack them, but these ones fit me even better. I like them so much more. These are from Goodwill. Continuing on the pants train, I got these Levi jeans. I am not a fan of like skinny jeans, but these ones are like leaning towards skinny. They're kind of like straight cut, not super tight, but I like couldn't pass these up, and I was so surprised because the dressing rooms were closed, but they fit me so well and I'm so happy. They're also light wash, which I don't have that many like light wash jeans, and I think you can see that the person took them in at the waist or something, or did some altering to them. So whoever did that, thank you, because they fit me perfect. Thank you. Oh, by the way, this top thrifted. I got it from like a Buffalo Exchange. I think it's so cute. It's florally. I'm trying to get more like business, casual, professional stuff that I can also wear. Like I could wear this as a cover up. I could wear it as a top. I think it's so cute, but it just keeps unbuttoning. We're gonna count how many times this freaking unbuttons because I'm not having it right now. Also from that same Buffalo Exchange though, I got this top. It's just a Tommy Hilfiger, very large one, very good quality. It's just gray, big t-shirt. I always, you know, here for oversized things. I've really been into like layering t-shirts and really baggy clothes. It's like my go-to. So comfy. I can wear this to sleep. I can style it as a graphic. I think I was also I was really into Tommy in like, I feel like it's a classic brand, but I had this phase where I loved it, maybe like freshman year, like middle school. Like if I saw it at a thrift store, I'd go ham for it. So I'm kind of bringing that back. Also, I got this shirt. This was kind of like I wasn't super sure about it, but now it's probably my favorite graphic. It kind of gives me Keith Haring vibes, just the fat hard hair. But I love the colors. It's like a barrier reef shirt or something. It just looks artsy. It kind of has holes in it. I didn't even notice the holes. I'm really bad at checking stuff when I go thrifting to see the quality of it, but I just love this shirt. It's really soft and thin too. So I wear it as a sleep shirt. I wear it for layering. I like love it. Probably one of my favorite thrift finds so far. I got this in the lingerie section. I haven't even tried this on, so hopefully it fits, but it's like a little slip dress, and I was thinking it also has like a crossy back. You'll see it when I try it on. I figured this would look really cute over like a long sleeve, or maybe even with like a sweater under or over it, because it is pretty. And I don't even know if this is actually meant to be worn out because it's pretty tiny, but I'm a small person, so hopefully it covers everything. If not, maybe I'll wear it to sleep. Then I got this. I realized I thrift so many basics, but I'm not even complaining because I wear all of them. This one is a Muse. I don't know what brand that is, but it's very soft. It's kind of like jersey sweatshirt, and it's kind of like a cream color. I figured it would look really good with some gold jewelry, some jeans, some platforms, something like that. Very soft, cozy, but I think it'll look very chic if you style it right. But it's kind of like that sweat chic style, which is what I have in mind for it. Gosh, my pile is building up back here. Then I got these two basics that I'm planning on cropping. This one is just a red high neck tee. I feel like I should wear more red. I literally have no red in my closet, but I love high neck tee tanks. Why did I call it a tee? This one is actually a tee, and I've been really feeling the baby tees. It's also Uniqlo, and I love Uniqlo stuff. The quality is amazing. It's just like this tan color. I really like this color. I've been into the neutrals, greens, browns, but baby tees have been kind of it for me here. Slightly TMI, but it's the perfect temperature that you're not sweating too much, so you can still wear like tight baby tees, but then it's like a little too cold to wear tank tops, or I feel like I'm clearly from Seattle and like think everything is hot by wearing tank tops and shorts every day, if that made any sense. But yes, very good quality. Need to crop these still. I'm gonna show you guys a couple like business things I picked up. If you don't care about business fashion, you can skip through this, but you can definitely wear like pantsuits and blazers. I feel like are super in. They're always in, and you can definitely wear it and just be a boss woman no matter what you're studying, what grade you're in. I'm just really here for it. I feel like button-ups are really in style right now too. Make sure to keep an eye on, and I think dress pants are probably one of these sections that actually all dress stuff is pretty underrated at thrift stores, both the guys and the girls. I always look in both. Sometimes I buy guys pants because they're like more high-waisted and I take them in too. I got this skirt. It's really nice. It is Calvin Klein, and it's a long pencil skirt, which usually I don't like long skirts that much because I'm so short, so it really like cuts me weird, but I've been loving wearing this. It's really comfy. I don't have to worry about my skirt going up or anything. I've also been really into midi skirts in general. I got 2 pairs of pants. These ones I was actually wearing, well, I'm gonna have to put back on. I was wearing today, but now I'm wearing sweat shorts because I'm in my dorm. They are like this orangey, speckled kind of material. I was so surprised they fit me so well. These are awesome. I think they're so fun. They flare just a little bit. And then I got these. I just really needed a pair of black pants. I had to sew them a little, but now they fit perfectly. I do hate, absolutely hate that they are low-waisted though. Why are all the women's like business pants low-waisted? That's why you look in the men's ones. I just needed black business pants, so these did the job. They're always pretty cheap, like $5 or less. I literally feel like 8th grade orchestra when I wear black pants and a white top. It like takes me back. Not a bad thing, but it takes me back. I got this. This was actually before I was shopping for business stuff, but I love this button up. There's something about getting a button up that's like good soft material. It's so cozy. You can wear it as a shirt, you can wear it as instead of a zip up or something. But this one is Jones New York, and it's actually a men's extra large. It's 16X. I don't know what that is, but it's really big, but it makes it so like cozy to wear, and it's soft. It's like silk, but it doesn't feel like silk. I don't know. I'm obsessed with this. Can you tell? I love it. And I got this business top. I keep saying this to literally everyone I go thrifting with, but I hate it. And you're gonna see this a couple times, but when I find a very good thrift find and then it's like Shein or Forever 21, it like crushes my soul. But I bought this one anyway because it's green and it's just a basic like business top. I'm definitely like, I've worn this already. I can wear it casually too. It's a great top. I got this white blazer that I'm actually wearing with this outfit today. This is Zara, so if you need actual like business stuff, definitely go to H&M or Zara. They have a bunch, but this fits so nice. It's so chic. I would definitely wear this on a regular day too. Super cute. I need to go like exchange my stuff and grab more things, and I'm also running out of time in this video. Like I'm at 20 minutes. Oh my god. Do you see this? Okay guys, we only have 10 minutes left on this SD card. Limiting myself, so I'm not gonna grab another one because I need to keep this concise. Second blazer I got is Banana Republic navy. Nice, basic, fits really well. These ones are both fitted, and I'm looking for like a super oversized men's one. I think that would be really cute. A couple things from Cotton On. I got a plain, once again, green long sleeve. It's ribbed, very comfy. I also wanted some more long sleeves for layering and such. I need a white one too. These are like my favorite tank tops, these ones and the ones from Brandy, but they're just like tank top slash bras, and I don't really have boobs, so I don't need to wear a bra with it. This color, love it. It's almost like, I don't know how to describe it. It's a very pretty bold green. Cotton On has fabulous basics. They also didn't have a Cotton On near me at home, so whenever I see one in California, I go a little ham because, as you know, I am a sucker for basics. Another basic, I got this little baby tee, and it's yellow because sunshine and happiness. Then H&M, I got some more basics there. Got another baby tee. This one's brown, ribbed, also fabulous. I wore it yesterday. I got a zip-up gray hoodie, large, so comfy. I throw it on over everything. I always have it like just with me or in my bag in case I get cold. It's also a fabulous like car jacket, you know, like when you leave in your trunk because you know you're always gonna get cold. Hello, me. And then I got these sweatpants that are pretty fun. They're like wide leg ones, so they're sweat material, so comfy. But then they have this little patch that I didn't even read, but it says, "This garment was made for you in a kind way," which is adorable. It has massive pockets too, which I love, and I had to crop them, probably like 5 inches because I'm short. And then the last couple of things, I think these are all thrifted. This is a good batch of thrifted stuff too. As I said, I've been into long skirts, midi skirts, and this is like a long dress, another Forever 21 item. It's kind of boho-y. It's like geared on the bottom and then knit on the top. I think it's so pretty. I'm excited to wear this. Like I could definitely wear this for a beach day or a shoot, but I could also just wear it to class and look like boho and adorable and stuff. I think it would actually look so cute with this top over it. Then I got this, not very interesting. It's just a long sleeve. Literally looks like Comfort Colors or Hanes, but I love this color blue. You know when you can just feel that the material is like quality and thick and will last a long time? That's this. I think it'll be great for layering like a white shirt underneath it for something. Then I got a couple more button-ups. This one I think is so fun. It's kind of like this blue, yellowy, green floral. It almost looks slightly Hawaiian, and it's kind of like a smaller button-up. It's definitely like a women's fit, slightly cropped. I think it's very pretty. I got this before business stuff, but I definitely would wear it with like a white pantsuit. so cute. Like intermission to my business stuff, I got a baby tee. It's Brandy. I would never think to buy this when I'm in Brandy, but you know how like brands stand out when they're at a thrift store, and I definitely will wear this just because like I'll wear a baby tee with literally anything on it probably at this point. And then 3 more things. So I have this button up. It's top shop top woman whatever, and it's just a nice striped blue and white one, but I like how boxy it is. Maybe you'll see it in the try on, but it has like vertical and horizontal lines, which I think is pretty cool. This one was actually like a maternity top that I cropped, so it like cinches underneath the boob so that your baby bump could be there, but I just cropped it so it looks like a peplum. So I thought that was kind of a little bit fun. I haven't worn it yet, but I think I can dress this really nice with some like gold jewelry. Honestly, gold jewelry can make anything look cute. And then this last one is a massive button-up short sleeve top, and it's this really sheer material, but this fun bright pattern, kind of hippie-esque. I think this will be so fun. The buttons are also like glittery or something. Yeah, they're like I don't know what the word is. They're cute. Okay, also I have a couple accessories to show you. Every Jewel sent me some stuff and I've been loving it, and one of the necklaces I'm actually wearing right now, it's like a giant coin. This one's probably my favorite, but they also sent me this pearl one with like a green heart. Yes guys, green, and I've been wearing this one so much too. It's great for layering or just being like a statement. I love it. And like pearls, great quality, so cute. And then the last thing I was gonna show you, I got this pack of clips from Amazon, so I'm actually wearing one right now, but it's like a little flower clip. So cute. I've been obsessed. Not gonna lie, I have way too much hair. By the way, I cut my hair by myself. Well, slightly by myself, but I have so much hair, it doesn't really keep it up when I do the little like bun thing, so I'm tied down to this. But you know what? It's fine. Yeah. Fine. Other than that, guys, that was my huge, insanely massive haul. Thank you guys for sticking with me and watching this. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on my other socials to stay tuned with what's going on in my life and at school. Love you with all my heart, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.
Wait, you definitely don't care about this, but I got black heels too. Businesswoman heels. I can't walk in heels. My charger is literally so broke. Like, it has to be in the exact position or else it won't freaking charge my phone. This is like the definition of I am hanging on by a thread. When you literally have 23 seconds left on your camera of storage because you've been talking for so long. You guys know the routine here. This top keeps unbuttoning. Like, geez, I'm not trying to flash you guys.
Are you really gonna show up tonight on Halloween?